Alright, so I'm here with the layout. In the background, excuse me, is Basil cardstock. It's about 4:18 in the morning. My husband took the day off because we close on our house at 3:30 today. So he just took the day off because it's not going to pay to drive an hour and a half to work and then be there for a few hours and then have to drive back. So anyway, I'm excited. It's finally going to happen. It's been an emotional roller coaster, I tell you what. But now the real work begins. I'm glad it's getting to be over. So I can go tomorrow and clean my new house, get it ready for moving. I'm excited. Hopefully they close in the morning so we can get the keys early tomorrow. I'm going to move some stuff into my new scrapbook room, which I'm praying it's going to be the same size as this one. Because I get to utilize all the wall space because there is no closet. So, I'm praying that I can make everything work. So, we'll see. Anyway, the plaid pattern is from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Bloom Street, number 19. This is my niece and her son, which will be my great-nephew. I miss them. I haven't been home in almost 5 years. And of course, there's Theo. I'm going to make some fishtail banners, which are all scraps. And then the bluish gray star pattern photo mat is Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. And then the pink grid photo mat is Fresh Studio, super cool. And I'm sorry, Theo is such a pain. So of course I work around him. So I apologize for his nuisance, being a nuisance. Yeah. Like I said in a previous video, if I waited for the moment that he was not around, I would never scrapbook because he is literally always near me. And if I shut the door, he scratches at the door, so. Because he might be missing out on something. So I'm trying to pet him, like, okay, how's that? Now can you go away? Oh my gosh. He goes away in just a moment. And then the rest of the video is without him, I believe. I hope. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're going to sleep on the chair? Okay, Pipco. Okay, Pipco. Yeah. All right. All right, so see, he goes away, but no, there's Patton. I can't get away from it. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to use washi tape for my stash. And then the die cut, the floral die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Noteworthy, but the stickers that I use are Pink Paisley's Bloom Street. And then there's that card at the bottom, and it is cut from Pink Fresh Studios Noteworthy. There's cut apart cards on one side and pattern on the other, and I use the cards, and I still have some that I'm still using here and now. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I went to bed around 9:30 or something. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's that time. And my husband's like, is your dad going to be coming home and be mad at you because you're not in bed at 8 o'clock? I'm like, no. But, it's been an emotional week, and it's only Tuesday. Oh my gosh. It's been an emotional couple of months since this whole thing started. We started under contract on the house April 16th. Oh, process started around. Oh, it's just been emotional since. Oh, for me, anyway, stressful. But it's done, and at least my husband gets to be on the loan because we were doing the loan just me, and that didn't pan out because of the condition they put on there, so we merged him into the loan. Because of the whole COVID-19 thing, he lost his normal job, got laid off with intentions of going back because he makes better money, and he was a commission worker, and it says that on his paycheck, so he couldn't be on the loan for that reason. So okay, so these are the stickers that I use. And then I got my title down, which is American Crafts Hello Thickers. And then I'm going to use some hearts, which are Pink Paisley's Lucky Us from Past Kit. And then once I do that, right here, that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys, and being patient with the cat. Bye.